Local news for Wednesday, the 5th of February. Great Town will feature next week on TVNZ's breakfast program as part of a national tour of the annual Kiwibank New Zealander of the Year Awards. The show, covering Wairarapa, will be based at Cobblestones in Greytown next Wednesday, the 12th. Members of Business Wairarapa surveyed at the end of 2019 said the major issues facing Wairarapa were compliance costs, employment issues and infrastructure. Whilst business confidence for the quarter improved slightly, the year-on-year business confidence was still down. The survey was conducted between the 4th and 17th of December, with the next one set to take place in March. And in sport, Ocean Bartlett and Kayana Jones-Dennis have been selected for the New Zealand Māori Secondary Schools cricket team. The girls will spend a week in Wellington with a focus on connecting with tikanga and will play 2 T20s versus the Governor-General's 11 in Wellington on the 20th of February. Well done. Kia ora. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.